What's going on, Rob Mob, coming at you with another video. This time we are going to focus on interest rates. You will find this in your Unit 2 sample problems packets. If you don't have that packet, or if you're from a different year, you could just follow along. This is a great example to show you changing wholes and just how interest rates work in different ways. So Bank A offers a savings account where you earn 6% interest in account balance every 12 months. Bank B offers the same account where you earn 2% interest on the account balance every 8 months. Amadou plans to deposit $10,000 and leave it in a savings account for exactly 2 years without adding any more money to the account or taking any money out. How much money will Amadou have at the end of 2 years by opening an account with Bank A than he had with Bank B? All right, so to do this problem, the easiest way would probably be to set up exactly what is happening in both banks. So we have Bank A and we have Bank B. And I want to show what is happening along this every step of the way. So I will create a roadmap for each. Now, for both of our banks at 0 months, we will have a starting balance of $10,000. See, easy to see, 12 months, 0 months in, we put in $10,000 into the bank account, and then both of these amounts are changing. Now we are looking for where they are changing and by the difference between the two bank accounts changing. So, what is happening in bank account A? As we can see, it is offering a 6% interest rate every 12 months. So, our next line on our roadmap, 12 months in, we are increasing by 6%. All right? And then further down the line, we see that we will be doing this for 2 years. We're looking for the total after 2 years. So we know what this value is over here. Now we are going to be going to 24 months or 2 years because they're 12 years in a month. This is also going to be increasing by another 6%. And this would be our unfinished roadmap for Bank A. So what is happening in Bank B? Bank B, we have a 2% interest rate, and that is being accumulated every 8 months, which is different than the 12 months, something that you have to keep in mind, really important that you are reading along with the problem properly. And this is also happening over that same 2 years. So, our first stop on the roadmap is 8 months later. Our second stop on the roadmap is 16 months later. And our last stop will be at that 24 months or 2 years. And now every step of the way, we will be increasing by 2%. 2%. All right, that is our uncompleted roadmap. Now all we have to do is add in the values. So we know for Bank A, we are increasing by 6%. We're increasing by 6% of 10,000. 6% of 10,000, very easy to see, is an additional $600 plus $600, so that is going to be 10,600. Now we are taking 6%, not of the original 10,000, but 6% of that 10,600. Our wholes have changed. We are now accumulating more money based off of this value to get to our last year. So now we are taking 6% of 10,600. So if we do a quick and easy little ratio table right here of whole, you will see that 10,600 is our 100%. Yep. So now we know that 10% is our 1,060. 1% is $106. $106 times 6 is going to be 636 additional dollars. So 10,600 plus 636 is going to get us $11,236. Now, this is the amount of money that is being accumulated by Bank A at the end of 2 years. So what is happening at Bank B? Here we are increasing by 2% every year, right? Not every year, every 8 months. We're increasing by 2% every 8 months. So we know between our starting point and our first stop on our roadmap, we are increasing by 2%. 2% of 10,000 is going to be $200, correct? $200. So it's going to be $10,200 at our second stop. For our third stop, just so we can see very clearly, I'm going to set up a ratio table in case you can't do the math in your head. So we're doing the same steps. Our $10,200 is our new 100%, right? So now 10% is 1,020, 1% is 102, so our 2% is $204. So we're adding an additional $204 to what? To our 10,200. So our new total is 10,404. All right, so that is the roadmap to get to right here. What about our last roadmap to get from our 16 months to our 24 months? Here we're going to do another similar ratio table, and remember to label properly. And we know that our 10,404 is our 100%. And now we know, I'm going to skip and divide by 100, so our 1% is going to be 104.04. $104.04, right? And now we are doubling that to get our 2%, so we have 208.08 will be what we are increasing by. So our 10,404 plus $208.08 is going to be 10,612.08. As we can see here, Bank B is less than Bank A. Bank A accumulated more money. Now we have to find out, in the context of the problem, what the difference is between these two accounts. How much more money did Bank A accumulate versus Bank B? So what do? The total of Bank A minus the total of Bank B, which is going to be our 11,236 minus 10,612.08 is going to be our $623.92. And that will be our answer C right here. And there you have it.